Welcome back, welcome back. Today I'll be using the power pivot. I had this tool for about 9 months now, and it still has the original pad on here. So if you know how to use a tool like this pad will last you a good while. And as you can see, we have the rubber. I'm gonna see how well this rubber works in the power pivot. In the video, you will see me just go right in the squeegee. I haven't been here in a couple weeks, but that's not a problem. It's not an issue. The glass is gonna get cleaned. So let's jump into it.
Not far down to paradise, at least it's not for me. If the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me, it's not far. Never land. Reason to pretend. If the wind is right, you can find the joy. The innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do
Okay, job done. This is next level rubber. As I'm more and more I've been using this, I realized this has a nice feel when it's moving over the glass. Now there was a comment someone left on Facebook because I posted that my findings about this rubber on Facebook. In the beginning I wasn't too sure about it because I only had cleaned 3 windows with it. But I put a piece in today and I gotta tell you, I have a review coming up on an assortment of rubbers. And I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of each rubber that I've learned, plus what's the best rubber that I found to be user-friendly with me and all my route work. Now, this rubber, someone said that it was a nice video, but the rubber sucks. And I'm thinking he's going by Moerman's rubber, period. Not this kind of rubber. He didn't make himself clear if he was talking about Moerman rubber in general or this particular rubber, because this just came out, and for him to say is junk, I don't really think he used it that much or enough. Because if you were to use this rubber, you will understand. And different strokes for different folks. You know, I'm meticulous, and when it comes to rubbers, that's your lifeline. If you got a crappy rubber, well, I don't want to draw this video out, but that's going to be for another video. I am really going to get into detail about just what these rubbers do and how they perform, and which ones to be mindful of or stay away from. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one.